This duly untyping machine is customized by a master customer. The factory processes log of this machine in x-axis 2 meters, y-axis 300 mm, and z-axis 200 mm. The machine is equipped with two sets of precision servo mechanical spindles, which can perform duly untyping operations either simultaneously or individually. It adopts a CNC motor electrical control system to control the two sets of servo mechanical spindles respectively. It can flexibly utilize its axis for processing according to the product requirements. Achieving high efficiency production, it is equipped with a multi-touch intelligent and collision device to ensure that there is no material interference when two sets of double spindles are processing at the same time. Each transmission shaft of the machine is controlled by an upstream motor, with high precision accuracy, faster, more stable performance. The mean screw and gas wheels is slightly from the brand of Taiwan House with more strong stability. The machine is equipped with automatic 13 oil pump that provides hand and quantity lubrication without the manual maintenance. Before the machine leaves the factory, it is tested for accuracy and compensated it by USA API laser interferometer to ensure that the full machine accuracy is kept within 0.02 mm. For more model introduction, follow my video account in the more.